Hi, baby. Ayan, magkaka-baby na kami.
November 15 namin nalaman na may kaming little one.
Yes. And exactly 4 a.m.
4:35 a.m. Nakita ko yung oras eh.
4:35 a.m. nung nalaman namin na may baby na kami.
Yes. And itong first ultrasound, first time na narinig ko yung heartbeat mo. Hindi ko
Ito,
kasama si daddy kasi bawal sa hospital.
Pero ito, lumabas to ng mga 5 p.m.
I heard your heartbeat for the first time, November 16.
15 din.
Ay, 15 din?
Oo, same day.
Oo nga pala, November 15 din.
Lahat yan 15.
Na-discharge si Mommy 16. Mami-meet na natin ng ating OB sa Tuesday, November 19.
19.
So far, you're very, very healthy.
Yes. Normal
And
lahat.
Mommy's cervix is long and closed. And as of today, you are 7 weeks and
4 days.
4 days? Yeah, 7 weeks and 4 days as of today. So by Tuesday, you're almost 8 weeks old.
Can't wait.
Your daddy is very excited.
Yes.
Your
Excited na ako
tita and
makulit ka.
titas also. This is
I
you.
love.
This
Hug.
is you. This is you. Mommy has to be healthy for you to be healthy also.
Ganito ka nakaliit, oh.
Kailangan healthy si Mommy para healthy ka rin sobra. Simula nung nalaman namin na na-bless kami ni God with you, every night na kami nagpipray ni Daddy before
Yes.
we sleep. Hindi lang kami makapag-church kasi bawal si Mommy
Lumabas.
magbiyahe-biyahe as much as possible. Pabiyahe lang si Mommy for OB, for check-ups, ganyan. So, we'll see you in June or July.
So, ito tsura ng parents mo. Medyo mataba kami ngayon, nak, pero sobrang gwapo at maganda talaga kami.
Brace.
Mm-mm.
Sana makuha ni ipin.
Campus heart rate ako.
Wow. Your heart rate is at 159 beats per minute.
See you na.
Rest na si Mommy. So you can have all the rest that you want para healthy. See you sa OP.
See you.
Hi, Aya. Or Alaya Rua Luis. This video is for you. Let it guide you through life to remind you how much you are wanted, how much you are loved. We have faith before you, and you strengthened it 1,000,000 times more. So, this is Mom and Dad's journey before you were born. Well, just a small part of the journey. Anyway, while I'm editing this, as you can hear, you are beside Mama and drinking. Baby, you are our answered prayer, our greatest blessing. We love you so, so very much. But now, let's go back to the beginning.
Nagkalaro na ako sa basketball.
Wow.
Tapos ka na, nak. Basketball na tayo. Shit na. Palaki ka muna dyan. Hindi mo pa akong kaya na.
Wow.
Competitive. Dahil ka lang, hindi. Pag lumabas ka, laro tayo. Kamayin natin si Mami.
Ay.
Hinanabulab kita. Singitin natin si Mami. Okay? Excited na ako. 7 months na lang.
8?
8 ba? 8 pa rin, technically. 8 months na lang. Kita ka ng daddy. Spoiled ka kay daddy. Bigay ko lahat ang gusto mo. Okay? Nag-ubay ka, bawal ka mag-jowa.
Kuha ko
Pero pag-
sa camera.
Pero pag lalaki ka, pwede ka agad mag-jowa kahit 10 years old ka pa lang. Gusto mo, high five pa lang eh. Okay lang eh.
No.
Diba? Cute ulit. Sipa na lang para Tagalog. Hey, B. Hey, B. Real big tree We gave up Anthony Davis.
AD.
AD pala. The sun, his name is LeBron James. By the man in the latest projects.
Here are reaction videos from Ninong Ninangs, Titos and Titas when they found out I was pregnant with you. Remembered your faces, sweetheart, because Mama and Dada knows that these people will love you as much as they loved Mama and Dada. We weren't able to record all loving reactions, especially from Mama and Dada's siblings, because we were still drunk in love with the thought of you nung in-announce namin to the rest of the family. Kulang pa yan, sweetheart. Marami ka pang mamimit na sigurado kami ng daddy mo na mamahalin at aalagaan ka, katulad ng pagmamahal nila sa amin.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Bakit? Meron pa yan!
Oh, ulol. Buntis, tinan nyo. Ingat.
Ay, buntis ka!
Buntis. Okay, totoo ako.
Ang 7 in 2 days. Hindi na.
Magpapakasal na kayo! Kayo yung first two human beings in person na sinabi. Ano din ako babakita? Ano naman ako lately?
This is your Kuya Kyle. He has been there for Mommy before and during her pregnancy. He's Mommy's soul dog. He keeps Mommy company whenever Daddy's at work or at school. He comforts Mommy through cuddles whenever Mom feels alone. And bantay siya ni Mommy when Mommy needs to pee in the middle of the night during pregnancy. They call your Kuya Kyle Mommy's buntot or Mommy's shadow. Kasi sunod ng sunod yan kay Mommy mo kahit saan siya magpunta. Alam na alam niya kapag ako yung aalis o papasok ng room, kahit anong room pa yan. That's how much he loves Mommy. Now, sweetheart, I can't wait for you two to get along. And I can't wait to see how you love him and how he loves you. But one thing's for sure. He will love you and protect you just like how he did with Mommy. Love Kuya Kyle and your other furry siblings with all your heart, because they are family. And this is our family. Yup, we have a very, very big family. You have 6 uncles and aunties on your father's side, and you have 2 on Mommy's.
Ayan.
Kita lips. Pero overbite naman.
Hindi talaga. Sabi, tumigil ka na.
Miniahi!
Sinabi mo, talagang totoo yan? Ay! Totoo nga? Ang kulit mo!
Kasi nahulaan mo naman. Sabi nga ni Mommy, sa tawa mo, hindi ba nahalata ni Raymond kung ano yung chat?
Hindi nga.
Oo nga!
Mali ang reaction ko.
Mali.
Hindi nga.
Oo nga! Girl,
Ang kulit mo! Ang kulit mo mo!
eh, nagsasalita ako, mananahimik lang naman sana ako. Kaso ikaw nag-umpisa.
Wala akong hinaano. Ba't mo sinabi? Totoo ba talaga?
Totoo nga!
Mamatay man.
Mamatay man! 50-50 nga daw na girl kasi nga wala nga pututoy.
Kaya pala.
Pinakita ni Doc, kita ko walang nakasilip eh. Daddy, you're a girl dad.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Alaya.
Saya ka ba?
Oo naman. Parang ina-expect ko.
Boy.
Pero kahit anong anak, okay lang.
Hindi, wala. Narinig niya na. Narinig niya na, boy.
Ay, Seta, kulit ang nanay mo. Kulit ang nanay mo. Mag-ano lang ako.
Huwag ka ka.
Uy! Babae! Para maganda sa video.
Malakas magdasal si Lolo tsaka si Ate Aika. Hi baby! So, today is the first day of officially nesting mode ni Mommy. And of course, andito si Daddy to support and to pay. Pero ayun, I'm currently 24 weeks and this is our first ever baby expo na pupuntahan. Kasi gusto na namin mag-budget, gusto na namin
Window shopping.
Gusto na namin mag-check din ng mga, kung mga pwedeng bilhin, ganyan. So, ayun. We are excited, baby. We're excited for you. And parang kinakabahan si Daddy.
Hindi excited nga ako.
Ay. Alam mo ba, binilan ka na namin ng 2 clothes. Kasi napa-check out si Mommy. Pero ngayon, check natin kung anong pwede nating mabili and anong mababudget natin. So,
Bilang kita maraming damit, baby.
anong klaseng damit? Cute.
Cute.
Dainty. Grabe na food trip today. We ate at Texas Roadhouse for lunch and then Vikings for dinner. So, sobrang busog ang baby. I'm currently 18 weeks and 4 days. Hi, my love. So big na. I'm popping out, guys.
Yeah, baby clothes for you, baby girl. For you, baby Alaya.
I like this.
Tingnan mo, oh.
I like this kasi. Parang yung newborn.
Ang dami binibay siya na clothes si Mami, ha? Sobrang love ko ni Mami.
Or ito.
Anong gusto mo dyan, baby?
Parang kailangan smaller pa nito no? For newborn. 2 to 4 months na pala.
Gusto ko rin yun.
Ito? Check natin.
Kasi yung tatay, nawawala. Parang wala lang sa'yo.
Thank you so much. Baby. Matching help ni Jello. Nabuha namin.
Morning, Kuya Kyle. Bags are ready. Are you ready?
Hello.
Are you ready to be a big brother, Kuya? We're here. Daddy is eating. Are you excited
Super.
to meet your chubby girl?
Chubby girl. Good chubby dad. Naka-two-piece pancake and two-piece chicken.
Very good. Yan.
Anak ka na.
Naging...
Bawal ka na kumain.
Bawal na sa'yo. Eh, baby ko, tigal-tigal na ng kami. Bawal na talaga yung mga ganyan words.
Hi, Mommy.
Yung panganay talaga ako nila.
Are you excited? Very excited to meet our baby. Huh? Are you ready? Are you ready ba?
Our baby girl.
Sabi na? Malapit na talaga. Ilang oras na lang po. So, waiting kami ngayon dito. na si Ai sa loob. Maya maririnig na namin yung iyak ni baby girl. Sobrang kabado si daddy. Kabado si daddy, baby. Mami. Ano kayo?
Sa first ako. Second ako na mag-aman.
Hello, baby ko.
Hey Raymond, ano yung feeling?
Super happy.
Ha?
Ay, baby Alaya. Ito si daddy, medyo mataba lang. Mataba ka rin naman eh.
Uy, napatahan siya ni Daddy.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, baby girl. So, kiss ko talaga kita. Kiss talaga kita. Abi.
Hello, iniintay mo.
Alaya. Hello, Alaya.
Super lambot talaga
Di
yun.
pa yung nagsasara?
My baby girl, my firstborn. From the moment I first laid eyes on you, my heart found a new rhythm, one that beats for you. Me and mommy are so grateful for you, our answered prayer. I promise to always be here for you, to protect you, love you, and remind you every day how special you are. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy. Welcome to this world, our baby girl.